Hi guys, I am Phil Mackenzie, former professional athlete and founder of the Lean Squad, and today I am so excited to be talking to you about the custom 90-day lean plan.
So I've been working with Phil for almost a year, and within that year I've lost just over 60 pounds.
As a former professional athlete, I was so fortunate enough to work with some of the best trainers and nutritionists on a daily basis, and it was their level of customization and support that really allowed me to reach my max potential.
Mackenzie still going. Phil Mackenzie, what a try.
And that is exactly what inspired me to work with hundreds and hundreds of squatties on a daily basis, just like you.
Thanks to Phil and all thanks to Lean Squad, I have been able to kind of get to where the goals I set out for myself years ago, and I'm finally in the position to say that I have achieved what I've set out to achieve.
The best thing about the Lean Squad is that you actually do feel very good, and it's quick and easy. The workouts are varied to keep you interested constantly, and you just feel great.
I gotta say, guys, this is the best workout ever. It's not just the workout, but it's the meal plans, it's the support system.
Now I know there are tons of plans out there that say they are customized, but believe me when I say this truly is the most customized plan, and that was my goal from day one, to design a plan for the individual. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what happens if I have no equipment, or I travel a lot, or I'm vegan, vegetarian? And the answer is simple. Whatever it is, I will take that into account and make the perfect lean plan for you. Because if you're happy with it, you're gonna stick with it and you're gonna get amazing results.
Food's awesome, man. Food's real good. I like it. You know, I've learned a lot about, just cooking leaner and portion sizes for sure.
Now, it's not only the customization that makes a lean plan so successful, but most importantly, it's the support. Every single squatty who signs up gets my phone number, and we communicate via text over the course of the entire 90 days. All you have to do is beep, bop, boot me if you want a little lean motivation, support, if you have a question, whatever it is, and I will get back to you.
Phil was constantly checking in throughout the whole progress and is always looking for feedback for both himself and for the program.
Easily my favorite part of the Lean Squad was definitely Phil's interactivity. Not a day goes past without him reaching out to you and connecting, making sure that you're on the lean train, and it's lean-dictive. He's constantly there for you.
Now I know how intimidating and scary fitness can be, but that is exactly why I started the Lean Squad, because I truly believe anyone and everyone can get healthier, fitter, and leaner, which is why I've worked with 67-year-old grandmothers, 18-year-old students, and everyone in between. Whether you're a vegan, pescatarian, gluten-free, I can make a lean plan tailored to you. So don't wait, sign up today, and let's get healthier, fitter, and leaner together.